Morning student, this video for class 9 students, we started this chapter 4. So far we have completed type 1 and type 2 factorization. Today I am going to start the third type. It is based on the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So on the basis of this we have to start this exercise. The name of the exercise is 4.3 chapter number 4. So let us take the first question. Our first question is factorize 4x square minus 25y square. So this is very simple question. So in this question you just make the factors. This is a square and it is b square. So finally a plus b multiply by a minus b. So this is the answer. So like this you have to solve the question based on this type. Now our next question, it is 9x square minus 1. So it is written as 3x whole square minus 1 square. So finally it will be 3x plus 1 multiplied by 3x minus 1. Now look at this question. In this question it is not possible to find the factors in terms of a square minus b square directly. So what you have to do, you should take the common. So here I should take common 6, so it will be 25 minus a square. After that 6 will remain outside the bracket. Now here we can write 5 square minus a square. It has become now a square minus b square formula, so it will be 5 plus a multiplied by 5 minus a. So this is the final answer. So many times whenever we start a question we have to see the first type. What was the first type? First type is to, if anything is common you should take common. So that I have done. 6 I have taken common. After taking 6 the way has come in front of me. Before this there was no way to start this question. So first of all systematically you should go type 1, type 2, type 3. So I applied first type 1 because 6 was common. After that 25 minus a square has come. This 25 can be written as 5 square minus a square. It has become a square minus b square formula. So it is a plus b, a minus b form has come. Look at the second part of this question. In this question also 32 x square minus 18 y square, we should take common. So I'm trying to take the common. The common is 2 overall. So it is 16 x square minus 2 9 18 y square. Now the way has come. We can write it 4x whole square minus 3y whole square. Now it has become a square minus b square formula. So we can write 4x plus 3y and 4x minus 3y. So this is the answer. So this is the right way to solve the question. Now look at this question. It is x minus y whole square minus 9. So here x minus y whole square we can write directly, but here we can write 3 square. Now here a is x minus y and b is 3. So a plus b. A plus b means first I should write x plus y. This is my a plus b. B is 3. So this is a plus b form. Now a minus b means first I should write a. This is x minus y, then minus 3. So this is the answer. So here also what we have to do, we can write it 3 in bracket x plus y whole square minus x square. A plus b minus b form 3x Now look at this question. Here also we should take 5 common, so it will be 5 4 ja 20, 5 9 ja 45. Now 2x whole square minus 3y whole square, so it has become 5. 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y. So this is the right way to solve the question. So student, these are the questions. You should take the hint and try to simplify the exercise and mark the difficult questions which you are not able to do. Write down in your copy and leave the pages for this. So when the contact classes will be there, we will continue these questions. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you very much.